Hello everybody, this is John Paul Harden. We just had breaking news. Our channel got 100 views. Oh my god. So, thank you very much for everybody that watches us. We think you're awesome. Oh yeah, here's my dog. Come on, you can be in the video. So yeah, and her name is Guinness. She's awesome, and she just shoved her butt in front of the screen. That's nice. But yeah, just thank you for all the views. Keep watching us. Please subscribe if you like our videos, which guys probably don't, because our videos are complete crap. But again, that's why we're called the Crapcast. So, subscribe for more crappy videos. Watch more videos for more crappy videos. And just keep watching crappy videos. That's all I have to say. And 100 views might not seem like a lot, but, like, it's a beginning. So, yeah. So just thanks for all the views and stuff. My dog's trying to lick my face. So, yeah. Thank you. Goodbye.